Hey there, fellow runners. If you're looking for the perfect pair of running shoes to take your training to the next level, look no further than the 361 degrees new Rainblock 7.0 anti-splash rainproof running shoes. These shoes are designed with the latest technology to provide you with everything you need to conquer any weather condition and lighting situation. The Rainblock technology ensures that your feet stay dry and comfortable, no matter what the weather throws at you. Plus, the night reflective feature provides visibility and safety during low light conditions, so you can run with confidence day or night. The cushioning in these shoes is top-notch, providing you with the support and comfort you need to go the distance. Whether you're hitting the trails or pounding the pavement, these shoes will keep you feeling great mile after mile. And let's not forget about the stylish design and the variety of sizes available. There's a pair of 361 degrees new Rainblock 7.0 anti-splash rainproof running shoes for every runner out there. So don't wait any longer. Upgrade your running experience today with the 361 degrees new Rainblock 7.0 anti-splash rainproof running shoes. Click the link in the description to get your pair now and start conquering your runs in style and comfort. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome running gear reviews and tips. Let's hit the road together.